Hey, it's Friday. We're going to hit a Fresh Crack Friday. A long eluded bottle, OCD number 5 from Glens Creek. I think it's 101 proof. A nice, easy way to get your night going. OCD number 5. Less talk, more walk. Let's give this sucker a crack. Now the key here, I've been told, is to find, here we go, find an access point. Look at that. That's where they make those, I believe.
And it's literally actually Friday.
Well, it's always Friday on Fresh Crack Friday. We're going to be right back. We're right back. All right, give it one of those. Bring it in for a
Is that a twist? Or no? Ooh,
nice pop. Ooh, that is pungent.
is it?
Yeah, right away.
Nice.